Hey people, what's up? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm David and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to link a Google Analytics 4 account to our Google Ads account. But before we do that, for those who are interested in digital advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads and a lot more, I urge you guys to go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I have a lot of more content coming your way. So people, in order to link your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics account, it is extremely important to ensure that the Google Analytics property that you have made is made with the same email ID that you have your Google Ads account with. If that is the case, you can go ahead and follow this process to ensure that both those accounts are linked. There are two ways in which you can link your Google Analytics 4 account to your Google Ads account. One is through the Google Ads interface and the other is through the Google Analytics interface. And I'm going to show you both of them. Let's dive into how we can go ahead and link Google Ads to Google Analytics using the Google Ads interface. So once you're in the Google Ads interface, go ahead and click on Tools and Settings and click on Linked Accounts. And once you are in the linked accounts, go ahead and click on Google Analytics 4 and Firebase. You see it shows up the property that you already have. All you need to do is click on link and import Google Analytics audiences after linking. And there you go, your Google Analytics has been linked to your Google Ads. I also recommend turning on auto tagging because this feature allows Google Analytics to be able to pull your data from your Google ad campaigns directly, which makes reporting much easier in Google Analytics. The second way to go ahead and link your Google Analytics 4 account to your Google Ads account is through your Google Analytics platform itself. So once you're in the Google Analytics platform, head over to admin. And when you are inside the admin settings, there is a section called product links. Click on Google Ad Links. And in the corner, there is a link button. Once you click on the link button, this particular pop-up opens up from where you can choose a Google Ads account that you manage. In this case, you see that David Matthews Official automatically pops up because we have made the Google Ads account as well as the Google Analytics property using the same email address itself. So now in this case, you can simply just click on David Matthews Official and click on confirm and then move on to the next step. Under configure settings, I recommend keeping both enabled. So if you enable personalized advertising, you get access to audience remarketing lists under your data segments. And if auto tagging is enabled, Google Analytics is able to better generate reports of your Google Ads campaigns. So once that is done, go ahead and click on next. And under the review and submit, just review whatever you have enabled and click on submit. And there you go. The link has been created and your Google Analytics 4 account is now linked to your Google Ads account. So this is how you link your Google Analytics 4 account to your Google Ads account. And if you have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely respond to you guys. And if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. This is it for today. Goodbye until next time.